a sudden shakeup before Election Day. A judge blocking a measure on the Orange County ballot in the midst of early voting. Now, many are wondering what's next. Glad you're with us. I'm Matt Austin.
And I'm Ginger Gadsden in for Lisa Bell tonight. The rent control ordinance has been at the center of a lawsuit. If approved, it would ban some landlords from raising rent more than the annual rate of inflation. News 6's Catherine Silver is finding out what today's decision means for voters.
This latest ruling certainly raises a lot of questions from voters, with early voting already underway here in Orange County. The supervisor of elections says people should keep voting their ballots and let the process play out in court.
The initial ruling from the 5th DCA suggested to the lower court to maybe just ask the supervisor and the county canvassing board not to certify that contest.
Orange County Supervisor of Elections Bill Cowell says there are options on the table as his office waits to see what the courts decide next about a rent control ordinance on the November ballot.
The history is very clear that once the ballot is the ballot and it's out, you don't pull it back in and start over. It's then, as we've done in the past, we would put notice to voters in the early voting booths and in the polling place booth saying that if you vote for this issue, the vote will not count.
Cowell says nothing is definitive yet. The latest ruling this week came from the 5th District Court of Appeals, which states the measure should not be on the ballot, a reversal of a decision from a circuit judge who ruled it may not be legal, but residents could vote on it anyway. The measure calls for a rent hike cap of 5% or the rate of inflation, whichever is less. Florida Realtors and the Florida Apartment Association both filed the lawsuit to block the initiative. The association sent News 6 a statement saying they are, quote, grateful the court ruled to remove this dangerous and illegal measure from consideration on the ballot.
These corporations attacking rent stabilization are angry.
Commissioner Emily Bonilla, who proposed the ordinance, shared this video with us of her speaking out against the lawsuit, flanked by Florida Rising, a voting rights group.
We are deeply disappointed, but not surprised.
Sheena Roll is the Senior Director of Strategy.
Where do you go from here?
Orange County is who is being sued here. And so they can, on behalf of Orange County residents, step in and file for an appeal.
I did reach out to the county. They tell me they will be filing a motion for rehearing. Both sides must send those motions in by Tuesday. The earliest they could go before a circuit court is Wednesday, less than 1 week before Election Day. In Orange County, I'm Catherine Silver, getting results, News 6.